Welcome to Park Info. I'm Gary Biskowski. I work for the Hoffman Estates Park District. We're here today with Jack Pizzo from Pizzo Associates, who's considered an expert in the art of natural area restoration. Jack, besides the plants, what are the other ecosystems that benefit from these practices?
Well, plants are the basis of all ecosystems, so that when we put our native plants back, other higher levels like the insects, the birds, the mammals benefit as well. So when you look out into the area, you might see insects feeding on the leaves, you might see insects pollinating the flowers, and what you'll notice is that there will be some part of the plant that's eaten, but it's not completely eaten. And that's because there are things that will feed on those insects. And generally it's the birds, for example, that will eat a lot of the insects. And so as you walk out into this area, you'll see lots of songbirds. We saw today goldfinches, we saw hummingbirds. So there's lots of things that are benefiting from the plants being here and giving us the other benefits like stormwater infiltration and stabilizing our shorelines.
Is that one of the problems we have when we go out to the nursery and buy cultivated and hybridized plant material and then put it in our plant backyards, and all of a sudden it's decimated by the insect population and we have to go out and buy insecticides and so on and so on and so on?
Yes. So the benefits of native plants is that they feed native insects. They have evolved together. And what happens is that as soon as a native insect starts eating a native plant, the native predators that eat that will come in and see that, and then they come and able to feed upon those insects. Generally, our non-native plants either have brought their native insects and there's nothing that feeds upon them, or nothing feeds upon the invasive plants and then they take over. Examples of that are buckthorn and Callery pear, which are now exploding in population all over the area because nothing feeds upon them.
Thanks, Jack.